Okay, so we saw.
The boy was.
We just. Shh.
He was very charming. His
I got
hair
the
was
top
so
half. I got
good.
the
Wait,
His eyes, his dark
stop! We are going to do a review of.
Cinderella.
Matea's gonna go first, I think. Hold on a second.
Shouldn't I go first because it said Cinderella?
Because it was
I
my
had
birthday.
my name. So
But because it's your name.
fine, just go. Just go.
Okay.
So I liked the movie. It was good. Well,
Tell me what you like the best.
Grace,
I liked the part where I liked the royal ball.
Oh yes, that was. Ooh.
Did you like the
And I liked
costume?
the guy. And I liked the guy when he was riding the horse when he met Cinderella.
What did you
When
like
he
about
that was
that
like
part?
Ella. Love
The
at
top
first sight.
half.
Top half.
Yeah, his face. Okay, guys. What do you mean top? What does that mean?
You said we could split him.
You said you could split him?
Okay.
I
So
got the top
apparently
half.
we all like the guy. What do you like? Yeah, okay, so we all like the guy.
I got the top
No,
half.
so Mattea and I saw the guy
Prince
first.
Charming.
Actually, I saw him first. I'm like, I don't know if that was his real eye color. It was so blue.
It changed. It was like blue and then it was brown in one scene.
No, it was not.
Yes, it was.
But yeah,
I don't
he
remember.
was so charming. Oh my gosh. Anyways,
Prince Charming.
yes. So he has a good hair. Like
Yeah, his hair was really good.
I wonder what kind of conditioner he used. But anyways, so Mattea and I liked him. So we both want to share him. So she gets top half, I get the bottom half.
Ella, what do you have to say?
The movie was really, 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 really good. And I sort of fell asleep because I already knew the story.
She did. She's looking at me. She's like,
You fell asleep during Cinderella?
Yeah, because I already knew, like, the story.
Yeah,
I
but
just
this
fell
is told in a
asleep.
different way.
this one's different. I like this one. I think.
I liked the costumes.
I like the costumes too.
I don't like her ball gown dress. I like her, wedding dress.
Yes, it
She
was
looks
really
really
Yeah.
good in that.
Okay.
I also like the fat dude. The fat
Black one? Yeah.
black one.
You like the fat black guy.
He was funny.
He's funny. So it's funny.
Okay, I love Cinderella in general because I'm a Cinderella freak. What am I missing? These girls are wild! Anyhow, we're going to put this video up after we put the other one up, which tells you that we've got a surprise, an announcement. But should I say it?
No, Mom.
Because
No.
the other one, okay, never mind.